What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. And then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the Wi-Fi will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue after restarting, then check if you have enabled power saving or not. So to check that, swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here if you have enabled power saving mode, then tap on this icon to turn it back off. So turning on power saving mode will affect the Wi-Fi, so tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off power saving the Wi-Fi issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings, and then again tap on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the Wi-Fi issue will be fixed. But somehow after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Scroll down to the end and here tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here update the mobile's software to the latest version, and after updating the software the issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.